Hello students, I'd like to welcome you all for the particularly mathematics class. Okay, in this session we would like to study about it is second order derivative. Till now what we learnt is first order derivative, means given function is differentiated for only one time. Now we need to understand differentiating the given function two times. Okay, first of all I'd like to discuss about the basics here. Okay, the given function is equal to y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x is a given function. Now after that, differentiating with respect to x, okay, it will be d by dx of what I had to write. Yes, I had to write y. Okay, now the right part I had to write is d by dx of what? It is f of x. Okay, in the next step what I am going to write, d by dx of y is, it is nothing but a dy by dx. Okay, got it? It will be derivative of f of x with respect to x is f dash of x. Whether you understood the part clearly? Fine. Then the next step will be again differentiating with respect to x, means it is second order derivative. This is first order derivative. Now I'd like to find second order derivative. What we did is d by dx of the function. Here also same thing, d by dx of what? D by dx of the given function is dy by dx. Got it? After that it will be again d by dx of what I need to take, it is f dash of x. I think you understood the part clearly. What is d by dx of dy by dx? It will be d square y by dx square. Okay, d by dx of dy by dx is d into d square y by dx square is equal to f of x derivative is f dash of x. F dash of x derivative is f double dash of x. This is nothing but a second order derivative, which is nothing but a given function is differentiated two times. That is nothing but a second order derivative. Find the second order derivative of the function. Okay, already I wrote the function here. Here I'd like to find the second order derivative differentiating with respect to x. What it will be? Y with respect to x will be dy by dx. Okay, x square with respect to x is 2x. 3x derivative will be 3 as it is x with respect to x is 1. 3 into 1 will be 3. Okay, I got the dy by dx. Sometimes we can denote it by y1 also. Got the point? After that, I need a second order derivative. Because of that reason, differentiating again with respect to x. Okay, y1 with respect to x will be y2. Okay, what is derivative of dy by dx will be d square y by dx square. Okay, 2x derivative with respect to x is 2 as it is x with respect to x is 1. 3 derivative will be 0. We got the double derivative of the given function is 2. The next example is y is equal to x raised to 20 differentiating with respect to x. Okay, it will be y derivative with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, x raised to 20 derivative is 20 x raised to 19 n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, again differentiating with respect to x, what it will be? Dy by dx derivative will be d square y by dx square. 20 as it is. What is x raised to 19 derivative? It is 19 x raised to 18. Got the point clearly? What is the multiplication between 20 and 19? It is 380 x to the power 18. We got the second derivative. The next example is y is equal to x cos x. I need to find the second order derivative. That's why differentiating with respect to x. Y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now derivative of x cos x means which rule I have to use? I need to use product rule. X as it is, cos derivative will be minus sin x. Okay, now cos of x as it is, x with respect to x is 1. Got the point clearly? I'd like to write one more step here. Dy by dx equal to minus x sin x plus cos of x. Okay. After this one, again differentiating with respect to x. It will be derivative of dy by dx will be d square y by dx square. Now minus as it is x sin x. I need to apply u into v. X as it is, sin derivative will be yes cos x plus sin x as it is. What is x with respect to x is 1. Okay. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin of x. Okay. I'll write the simplified step. D square y by dx square is equal to, it will be minus x cos x. Okay. Minus sin x, again minus sin x outside. Okay. The answer will be minus x cos x minus sin x minus 2 sin x. I think you understood the part. Observe the next example. I need to find the double derivative of the given function. Differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x? dy by dx. Okay. What is log of x derivative? 1 divided by x. Okay. Again differentiating with respect to x. It will be dy by dx derivative will be d square y by dx square. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Yes, it is minus 1 divided by x square. Next example is y is equal to x cube log x. I need to find the second order derivative here. Differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x? Yes, it is dy by dx. Okay. After this one, it will be x square log x. I need to apply a product rule. X cube as it is. What is a log x derivative? Yes, it is 1 by x plus log of x as it is. What's the derivative of x cube? It is 3x square. Okay. Dy by dx, I'd like to write one more simplified step. X cube x, one of the x will be cancelled. The leftover term is x square plus 3x square into log x. Okay. Now I need to differentiate again with respect to, yes, with respect to x only. It will become a d square y by dx square. Okay. X square derivative will be 2x plus, let it be 3 as it is. X square log x derivative I had write x square as it is. Product rule I need to apply. X square as it is, log x derivative will be 1 divided by x plus log of x as it is. X square derivative will be, yes, it will be 2x. I think you understood the part. I'd like to continue here. It will be 2x as it is plus one of the x term will be cancelled. 3 into x will be 3x. Again 3 into 2 will be, it will be 6x log of x. Okay. Then the next step will be here 2x plus 3x will be 5x plus 6x log of x, which is nothing but a double derivative of the given function. Focus on the board. It is y is equal to e raised to x sin 5x. Differentiating the given function with respect to x. Y derivative will be dy by dx. Okay. I'd like to apply u into v here. E raised to x as it is. What's the derivative of sin x? Sin x derivative will be cos of 5x. 5x derivative will be 5. Got the point clearly? After that, plus a sine of 5x as it is. E raised to x derivative will be e raised to x only. Okay. Now I'd like to write the simplified one more step. dy by dx equal to, it is 5 e to the power x cos of 5x plus e raised to x sine of 5x. We required a double derivative. That's why again differentiating with respect to x. Okay. What is dy by dx derivative? D square y by dx square. 5 as it is. What is the derivative of e raised to x cos of 5x? E raised to x as it is, cos derivative will be minus sine of 5x. 5x derivative will be 5. Got it? Then what about the next part? It will be cos of 5x as it is. E raised to x derivative will be e raised to x. I need to put a bracket for this function. Why? Because phi is common for these both terms. First term as it is, second term derivative, second term as it is, first term derivative. Okay, in the similar manner for the next one, e raised to x, sin phi x derivative will be cos of phi x derivative will be phi. After that, sine of phi x as it is, e raised to x derivative will be e to the power x. Okay, now it will be phi into phi will be minus 25 e raised to x sine of phi x, it is negative. Again it will be plus phi into e raised to x cos of phi x plus phi e raised to x cos of phi x plus e to the power x sine of phi x. Okay, last step I'd like to write the term. It will be it is minus 25 e raised to x sine phi x plus one term of e raised to x sine phi x. It will be minus 24 e raised to x sine of phi x. Got it? Plus these two terms, 5 times of e raised to x cos of phi x in the similar manner, plus 5 times. It will be 10 times of e raised to x cos of phi x. We got the second order derivative of the function. Next example is y is equal to e to the power 6x cos of 3x, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, it will be dy by dx. Okay, first term e raised to 6x as it is, cos derivative will be minus sine of 3x derivative will be 3. Got it? Plus cos of 3x as it is, e raised to 6x derivative will be e raised to 6x into 6. Okay, I'd like to write the simplified term for the simplified step for the first order derivative. It is minus 3 e raised to 6x sine of 3x. It will be plus 6 e raised to 6x cos of 3x. Okay, now I'd like to write differentiating, means I'd like to take again differentiating with respect to x. Okay, what is dy by dx derivative? D square y by dx square minus 3 as it is. Now I'd like to apply u into v, product rule. E to the power 6x sine derivative will be cos of 3x derivative will be 3. Okay, now after that plus sine of 3x as it is, e to the power 6x derivative will be e to the power 6x into 6. This is the derivative of the first term. Okay, next plus this 6 constant outside as it is. In the bracket I'd like to write e to the power 6x first term as it is, cos of 3x derivative will be minus sine of 3x derivative will be 3. Okay, after that cos of 3x as it is, e raised to 6x derivative will be e raised to 6x into 6. Got the point clearly? Still one more step I'd like to write to make the simplification. Minus 3 into 3, it will be minus 9 e raised to 6x, yes, cos of 3x. Okay, now plus minus 3 into 6, it is minus 18 e raised to 6x sine of 3x, minus 6 into 3 minus 18 e raised to 6x sine of 3x. Okay, it will be plus 6 into 6 36 e raised to 6x cos of 3x. Got it? Then the last conclusion part will be 36 times of e raised to 6x cos of 3x minus 9. It will be 27 e raised to 6x cos of 3x minus 18 minus 36 e raised to 6x sine of 3x. We got the double derivative of the function. Observe the next one. I need to find the second order derivative for the tan inverse of x. It will be differentiating with respect to x. It will be y with respect to x will be dy by dx. Tan inverse of x derivative will be 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Again, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, it is in the form of 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Means what is 1 by x derivative? Minus 1 by x square. That's why I'd like to write it is in the form of 1 by x format. That's why minus 1 divided by x square means whatever the x, I need to write the square of that term. That's why I wrote in the place of x, I wrote 1 plus x square. What is 1 derivative? 0. X square derivative will be 2x, which is the second order derivative of the given function. Observe the next one. Differentiating the given function with respect to x, it will be dy by dx. Log x derivative 1 by x, log of the term will be 1 by log x. Again log x derivative will be 1 divided by x. Means I got the first derivative dy by dx as 1 divided by x log x. Okay, you can take 1 by x format. What is a 1 by x format derivative? Okay, I'll explain. Differentiating with respect to x, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by x means minus 1 divided by x log x whole square. After that, I need to differentiate this x log x. That's why I like to write x as it is. Log x derivative will be 1 by x. Now log x as it is, x with respect to x is 1. X will be cancelled, means we got the solution like it will be minus 1 plus log x in the numerator part. Denominator will be x log x whole square. Otherwise you can use u by v also. You'll get the same answer. Focus on the board. First derivative of the given function is differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x is dy by dx. Sine of the log x derivative, sine derivative will be cos of the log x as it is. Log x derivative will be 1 divided by x. Got it? After this one, again differentiating with respect to x, I need to apply either u by v or u into v. It will be d square y by dx square is equal to, concentrate on the board, I'd like to take u into v. It is u, this one is v, cos of log x as it is. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Yes, it is minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x as it is. What is the cos of log x derivative? It is minus sine of log x. Log x derivative will be 1 divided by x. Whether you understood properly? Any doubt in this part? This is a different question. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. We need to prove d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Okay, now first of all I'll start with the first derivative, differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x? dy by dx. Okay, 5 as it is, cos derivative will be minus sine of x, minus 3 as it is, sine derivative will be cos of x. Okay, now then the next will be again differentiating with respect to x. Then only I'll get d square y by dx square. Dy by dx derivative will be d square y by dx square. This will be minus 5. Sine derivative will be cos of x, minus 3 as it is, cos derivative will be minus sine x. Okay, I'd like to simplify the part. It will be d square y by dx square is equal to, okay, it will be minus taken common, 5 cos x, it will be 1 minus will be there, 1 minus outside, 3 sine of x. Got it? Then d square y by dx square left part as it is. This is minus. What is the meaning of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is nothing but y. And like to write minus y. Now that minus y on left hand side, d square y by dx square and negative y on left hand side plus y is equal to 0. We got the required result. Focus on the question here. Y is equal to cos inverse of x. Find d square y by d square. Find that second order derivative of the given function in terms of y alone. Means answer must be in terms of y. Means only coordinate of y, not x. Okay. For that reason, I'd like to write x is equal to cos inverse on left hand side. It will be cos y. Got it? Then after that, differentiating with respect to y now. What is x with respect to y? Dx by dy. Got it? After that is equal to cos derivative will be minus sine of y. Y with respect to y will be 1. Yes. After that, taking a reciprocal means a reciprocal will be dy by dx is equal to minus. It will be 1 divided by sine of y. Okay. After that, dy by dx is equal to minus. What is 1 by sine? It is cosecant of y. After this step will be again differentiating with respect to x now, not y, x. What is dy by dx with respect to x? D square y by dx square is equal to minus, as it is. Cosecant y derivative will be, it will be minus cosecant y into cot y. Okay, cosecant y derivative is minus cosecant y into cot y. Again, y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, now last step I'd like to write d square y by dx square is equal to, it will be negative into negative. Negative into negative will be positive cosecant y into cot y. What is dy by dx? Yes, dy by dx is minus, yes, dy by dx is what? Minus cosecant of y. Okay, now the answer will be d square y by dx square is equal to minus cosecant square y into cot of y. We got the answer in terms of y. Okay, practice all the problems. I think in next session also I'd like to continue the second order derivative. Okay, good day.